guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. If you guys are new here, then please make sure to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, then hi! So for today's video, I wanted to do a Boxycharm unboxing. This has been highly requested on my channel. So for today's video, I thought I should give you what you guys wanted. So let's go ahead and get started. This one is, I think this is for the month of April, and their theme to this time was eye candy. So this is how their little pamphlet looks, and there it tells you everything you got. So I already opened it because I wanted to make sure I put the makeup on that I needed to put on. So I've already put everything that I needed to do. So this is how it looks like, everything that came in. And so let's go ahead and talk about the products. So the first thing is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlight. It says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds for sheer intense. Ultra concentrated pigment and pearls are suspended in a hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that can give your mixed liquid foundation or wear alone for natural luminosity. Infused with the rose water, slips softly onto the skin and keeps moist in with tapered squeeze packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. So basically, this is the highlight. It cost us $29. So let's go ahead and dig into it. So I got the color Exposed. So let's go ahead and swatch it for you guys really quick. So you guys see that highlight right there? Alright. Let's go ahead with our beauty blender and blend that out. Look at how pretty that is. Alright. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Grab a little bit. You know, I like to put it everywhere. It's kind of hard to blend out, but the color looks really pretty anyway. You can still see the dot. A little went a long way, so you'll get some money worth. I think the color is really creamy. It was really easy to blend into my skin with my finger, not so much with the sponge because it dried out really quick, so it looks kind of patchy. Okay, the next thing is the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Vacuum Cleaner, and this is the award-winning pore refining mask and extraction specialist in clogging and tighten the look of the pores and reducing oil free from the skin surface. So I will post a part where I try it, so stay tuned. So I will try this probably later tonight. Alright, the next thing is this brow gel. It's called the BROWGAL. It's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers that achieve natural hair look, perfect for the consumer to want a quick but natural feel to their eyebrows. And it's $22. So I've already did my eyebrows, but we can use this like as a setter for my eyebrows. It's a little too light for my skin tone. Definitely made my eyebrows look lighter, but it set them in place. I think this color was too light for me. Okay, the next thing is the Gold State of Mind, and this is by the brand COLOURPOP. I mean, they are really well known. Most YouTubers know who COLOURPOP is, and I really like their palettes. As you guys know, I've used some of them on my channel. So this one's the Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette. Highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and even. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. And again, I still haven't opened it, and I don't have this palette, so I'm excited to try it out. So these are how the colors look. They look really pretty. So the first, and let's go ahead and swatch them. And they look all like shimmer colors. So I'm going to have to dig into another palette and get more highlights. It feels like I'm rubbing glitter on my hand. Ooh, that one's really pretty. So I'm gonna swatch all the colors for you guys. These really stand out on my skin tone because I am brown. I'm like a medium skin tone, so they stand out on my hand. Alright, so they look iridescent to me. So that one is Golden Egg. That one is Pay the Piper. The one right next to it is Girlfriend. And then the orange one is Zero Clue. And the last one is Watch Out. That was pretty. So like the top colors seem to be more iridescent than these ones that I'm swatching on my finger. And right now these ones are more stunning. Alright. So this one is Drizzle. That one is Uptight. That one is Can't Stop. That one is Sparkler. And then this one is Unsupervised. They kind of feel rough when you rub them, but then they blend out well into the skin, so we'll have to see how they play out when you blend them in. Alright, and then this one is Lunchtime. That one is Mind Tricks. This one is Wing Women. That one's Head Over Tails. And this one is Tinker Time. They're all really pretty, but they don't have any transition colors. So what I'm going to do is for my transition colors, I am going to use Dream Scene Palette by Kathleen Lights. And this is also a ColourPop palette, so I think this should work well together. And to prime my eyes, because I didn't this time, I'm going to be using the Morphe eye primer. In last videos I used it, but I wasn't so sure because I had already primed my eyes, so this time I waited. So let's go ahead and prime my eyes. Okay, now it's blending out so much easier than it did last time. It still feels really tacky, so that's nice. But this time it was so much smoother to apply onto the eyelids. Let's go ahead and start with the Dream Street palette. I'm just gonna read you guys the names because I'm not gonna lift it up every time. It's easy to do that with this one. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Magical. I'm gonna go into Shooting Star. Shooting Star is this one. And then last color I will be using in this palette is going to be Elfish. I'm just going to put that in my outer V. And then I'm going to go into Potion just to kind of blend those out together. And this is the R37 brush. My thing is I don't like using shimmers for my transition shades. So I don't know how I feel about the palette that I got. I like using mattes, and then for my eyelid I like using the shimmers. And then I'm gonna go back into Magical with the M504, which was the brush that I used before that, over that color, and just blend that out. Then I'm gonna go into the color Drizzle, and then I'm gonna go into the color Sparkle, which is that one. Clean R38 brush and blend those out. You know, the pigment isn't sticking to my eyes. Like already, it lost the shimmer. Right now that I brushed it, the shimmer kind of went off. And then I'm gonna go into Can't Stop, which is that one. And that one I'm gonna put next to that pink. And then I'm gonna go into Sparkle. It's a glittery mess. I'm not liking it. Let's see if we can fix it. I'm going to go back into the Dream Street palette, and then with the M56 I'm going to go back into Elfish and blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna go back into Portion. And then I'm gonna go back into Magical. And blend those out. Like, the colors from the Dream Street palette are really nice, but then when you get into the other palette, it's not working. I think I'm just gonna do some of the copper and some of the gold. Okay, I'm gonna spray my packing brush with the Urban Decay setting spray. And then I'm gonna go into Uptight. With this mist, it kind of it set it down a little bit better. So this is the color I used, Uptight. And then I'm gonna go into, so this one is Watch Out. And then just using the same packing brush, we're gonna put that at the very front. There's a big difference. I think you just have to use these eyeshadows with setting spray. They makes them look better. Okay, last color I'm gonna use is this Lust Time, which is that one right there that I'm gonna put at the very outer corner. Okay, they look better. They improved. And then I'm gonna take a clean R38 brush and just blend them in. Okay, I'm liking it now. My eyebrow bone, I'm gonna use Girlfriend using the M213. Okay, with the same brush, I'm gonna put some of the, so I put it on Girlfriend. And then right now I'm gonna go back into Golden Eggs with the same brush. That, and then I'm gonna take Pay the Piper, which is this one, this one. Right now I am gonna go into Shooting Star, and then into Portion, and then at the very end I'm gonna go into Elfish. And then I'm just gonna use the R38 brush and go back in Shooting Star and Magical to blend that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put eyelashes and mascara off camera. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and put on lashes. These are by Morphe and these are in the Lashes Hypnotic. I've been liking how they look so far. They do have a very thick band, which are kind of uncomfortable to wear, but like you get used to it. Alright, so for the last thing that we're gonna do is the lipstick. So, and this is the ADESSE High Definition Lipstick. Luxurious creamy long-wear liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of lipsticks with the ease of a wand applicator, made with the advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color, intense shine, and single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and EU compliant. And this is $24. Looks like this. When you apply it, it feels very glossy and sticky. It feels like you're applying a lip gloss. Like my lips are getting stuck together. Alright, so this is the color. It's super glossy. It feels like I'm applying a lip gloss on top. It sticks, my lips stick together. And this is in the color, it doesn't have a color name, but it's very pretty. I like the color. I don't like how glossy it is, but will do. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I am not that crazy about it. It looks nice, but I had a lot of trouble with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the products individually. So I really liked the glow, Pro Glow, the highlight. It was really pretty. You can still tell how beautiful it is. I really wasn't crazy about the palette, even though I love ColourPop. This one was just not good. The shadows, it didn't have any transition shades. The eyeshadows were really glittery. They were really hard to blend into different colors. And when I blended them out with the, just the regular brush, it kind of took off the pigment. For the eyebrow gel, I liked it. I just didn't like the color. If it was darker, it would have been fine. I really like how it separated my eyebrows, and it's not they're not hard. Most eyebrow gels do that to me. And then the lipstick, I like the color. Beautiful. I love the way it smells. I just don't like how glossy it is and like how sticky it is. I don't like that. As in for this, I will try it and to let you guys know what I think. But everything was pretty good. I mean, I'm probably gonna give the stuff that I didn't like away, but I do like Boxycharm. So if you guys are interested, most of the boxes are really good. So I really like them. Let's go ahead and check out how much everything was. You pay $21 for the box and it gives you $148. That is nice. For $20, $148, that's amazing. You know, that is not cheap. So I really like getting them. You get some hits and misses. This time for me was more misses, but I'm pretty sure a lot more people liked it too. Maybe it was just me. If you guys like more Boxycharm videos, then please let me know by liking this video and then leaving a comment down below telling me you like it. If you guys want to see more of these videos, then let me know on the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.